Good day, New York, and welcome back to the channel. This is the 3rd Street from Columbia Heights heading eastbound. It's also known as Emily Warren Roblin Way. Again, guys, we are here at the 3rd Street Orange and the second one in the Fruit Loop series. Now, before we go, guys, let me show you where I am. Let me show you where I am. So basically, this whole street, we'll be covering the whole street right now of Columbia Heights, but only the streets because I already did Columbia, and we start the journey now. Mucho garbage, a lot of basura. Again, guys, 3rd Street, second in the Fruit Loop series. Garage open. You see, we have another one of those pull-out balconies. It's almost like you can pull it out from the wall, man. See? We just saw one on the other side in a Cranberry. Coming up at Orange Street, Willow Street, heading eastbound. Again, guys, 3 of these streets will not reach Catman because you saw the park. Yeah, that's why. And right now I'm trying to look around, but you know, nothing fancy, nothing, you know, out of the ordinary. Check this out, man. This is nice. Check it out. That's like a flower bed. And then you have the Roman metal. I think the metal. Let me see. Yeah, I think it's metal, man. Check it out. Metal Roman columns, guys. Nice. Sorry, guys, she went off again. And that is the orange court. I didn't know they had courts for fruits. So if you have your orange court, you gotta have your banana court, pineapple court, etc, etc, etc. Okay, guys, coming up at Orange Street, and this is Hicks Street. Heading eastbound. Check it out, guys. More Roman columns. Check it out, man. Man, these are big and thick. Check it out. Sorry, guys. I mean to put it that way. They're just you know, bigger than the usual ones. Anyways, moving on. Oh, check it out. Oh, wait a minute. Hey, guys. Oh, look. We'll do that one when we come back, guys. I want to see if I can get in there, man. I think it's a church, man. Yeah, I think it's a church. We'll explore when we come back around. Guys, check this out, man. Oh, this is the church. This is another metal church. See? And it's got the white column, Roman columns. I think it's also Catholic. No. This is, oh no. It's Plymouth Metal Church. This is something else. So the Catholic one is behind this one, but they're both back to back, except that this one is to the back and the other one. Okay, and I like the church, man. It's nice. And up there it says, see, it says Plymouth Church, 1849. See, so we had to 1842, 1846, 1840, and now 1849, which means that this place, man, this place was really founded circa 1840s, guys. That's a long time. See, another one was pull out balconies. Now, let's see. Check it out, guys, see? And this one ends here. Coming up at Orange Street, Henry Street. So what we'll do, you see, this is where the street ends right here. Orange ends right here. So we'll go across the street, head back westbound. Check it out. That's a tall building, dude. That is a tall building, man. So we'll go through there, guys, and head back westbound again. And that one is 75 Henry Street. So we're gonna go up here, take a little ride here. And there she is, 75 Henry Street. And now we head westbound again. Coming up at Orange Street, Henry Street. Heading westbound. See, check out this building, man. Again, this place, circa 1840s. Because most of the years I've seen is 40 something, 40 this, 40 that. Can you imagine living back in those times, man? That's 150 years ago, man. 150 years ago. More than that. Check it out, guys. And this says, oh look, For Whom the Bell Tolls, Metallica. This is in 2011, Grace Faison gave new purpose to this small garden by moving Plymouth's bell here, a bell that sat in the church playground for 60 years. Plymouth Church gives thanks to Grace for her love and care of this space to celebrate her 100th birthday, and it has been renamed the Grace Faison Bell Garden. Like I said, guys, just like it says here, for the love and care of this space, I do spaces too, guys. Not just places, but spaces too. And this is the Plymouth Bell. This cast iron bell, inscribed Manelli's, West Troy, New York, 1870. Once hung in the steeple at 56 Cranberry Street, site of Plymouth's original sanctuary. Okay. The bell went silent after a destructive fire in 1920. I think I heard about that one. Then fell to the ground on the day of Plymouth's 100th anniversary. Wow. Celebration of 1947. And that is the bell. In this case, For Whom the Bell Tolls by Metallica. And this is Plymouth Church. And we'll keep going. And this is the Plymouth Church. Nice. I like this one, man. Plymouth Church. So it's not Catholic, it's I don't know. Let me see.
You get what I'm saying? Because that didn't work, because apparently some of the and I'm gonna fix that.
Excuse me, ma'am. Is it possible to record, or was it private grounds?
Well, I'm not sure.
Because I'm doing a documentary on this place, but
I just walked inside for a cigarette, to be honest. I'm not sure it's okay.
Yeah, because I just want to go in there like without any permission.
Well, it doesn't. The door was open, so I think we can freely go inside and film. I don't
All right.
know. Or maybe you could ask someone.
All right, thank you. Is that a church? Or?
I believe so.
All right, thank you. Have a good day now. Okay, so we're gonna explore the. Okay, so first of all, let's this is the entrance. So we're gonna go through here, guys. And I'm gonna show you, instead of going from side to side, guys, I'm gonna do the middle, and then I'm gonna come back again. But yeah, I want to show you this. This is really cool, man. And this, hold on, let me show you this. This is ramp, metal. This is erected to the glory of God and the adornment of my beloved city. Yeah, my beloved city of Manhattan and New York in general. Check it out, guys. So this is a beautiful garden, man. I'll come back and do the statue in a few. What do you think, guys? Check it out. Check out the trees, man. Check it out. The trees are nice, man. Nice. Again, we have green in nature. It makes it even better. It says here, please watch your step. Okay. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go through here, and then we're gonna bounce back from here to the other one. Check out the beautiful flowers, guys. Nice. Plymouth. Nice. Check it out, guys. Check it out. And now we turn around 180 back again. Show you. Check it out, man. Mosquito. And then, guys, you see a door back there. I'm gonna stop right here. But you see, you have a couple of benches where people can sit, you know, relax, stuff like that. Then we come here, back here, and now we're gonna check out the statue. Who this Renaissance man is. Okay, so we stay in the middle. We go here, and it says Henry Ward Bleacher, 1813, 1887. And then, if I'm not mistaken, that looks like Abraham Lincoln. And I imagine that they maybe had another statue there, but it's gone now. Check it out, guys. And then you see the top, almost like the Greeks, the Athens. ¿Cómo se llama? Oh, I forgot. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I forgot the name of the top there. Just like the Greeks, you know, like I said in one of my videos. Pantheon, like the Pantheon. Here, there you go. And then you have like a little girl crying in her mother's arms. Anyways, yeah, guys. So yeah, this is cool, man. Let me show you the upper part of this thing, building. Okay, guys. See, this is what you find in places like this, guys. And now we do a 90 right now, and we leave. Actually, guys, I'm sorry. My bad. Let me just give you a 360. Sorry. Just so you can see where I am. So let me get back here in the middle, where the statue was. I'm gonna give you a 360. And this guys is an Orange Street here in Brooklyn. And now we go back. We move on. Check it out, guys. Check this out. See? Now this one says, hold on, the plant's on the way. It says 1913, man. And I imagine there used to be some sort of statue up there. Nice. Okay, guys, we keep moving. Coming up at Orange Street, Hicks Street, heading westbound. And again, this is the orange court. Now they got courts for oranges that they're guilty of something. Coming up at Orange Street, Willow Street, heading westbound. So again, guys, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other ones. I'm gonna finish them on that side. I normally start, actually, no, never mind. Okay, check it out, man, check it out. Plantas, plants. Ramp. Coming up at Orange Street, Columbia Street. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thanks for with me on this journey. And again, Orange Street, Columbia Heights, also known as Emily Warren Roebling Way. I will see you summertime.